Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best compressor ice cream maker you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many compressor ice cream maker and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each compressor ice cream maker so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a compressor ice cream maker. First, check the compressor power and freezing capacity, as stronger compressors freeze faster and make smoother ice cream. Next, consider the ball capacity, which determines how much ice cream you can make in one batch. Look at the machine size and portability to ensure it fits your kitchen space comfortably. Ease of cleaning is also important, so choose one with removable parts and dishwasher-safe components. Noise level can vary, so pick a model that runs quietly if that matters to you. Lastly, review the warranty and brand reliability for long-term performance and support. A good compressor ice cream maker should combine power, convenience, and durability for the best results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.